Have a small garden but want a big wow factor? You're not alone. Many of us dream of transforming a limited outdoor space into something truly breathtaking. But here's the secret. You don't need acres of land to make a bold statement. With the right trees, you can create structure, shade, and beauty that instantly elevates any small garden. In today's video, I'll show you 8 stunning trees that not only fit perfectly in compact spaces, but also deliver massive visual impact. Whether you want color, shape, fragrance, or all of the above, I've got a tree for you. So grab your garden gloves and let's dive in. The Japanese maple is like a living sculpture in your garden. With its delicate, lacy leaves and elegant branching, it brings a sense of calm and structure to even the smallest of yards. Available in many cultivars, you can choose from a variety of colors: vivid red, deep purple, or fresh green, depending on the season and your style. It's perfect for small spaces because it grows slowly and maintains a manageable size. Most varieties stay under 15 feet tall and wide, making them easy to tuck into corners or use as focal points. They also work beautifully in containers if you're working with a patio or balcony. Best of all, Japanese maples offer year-round beauty. In spring and summer, you get stunning foliage. In fall, expect a fiery display of reds and oranges. And in winter, the elegant structure of bare branches becomes a piece of natural art. If you love spring blooms, the Dwarf Dogwood is your best friend. This compact version of the classic dogwood tree is ideal for tight spaces. It reaches just around 8 to 10 feet tall, but it doesn't skimp on the charm. Those large, creamy white or pink flowers are truly show-stopping. After the spring show, the tree rewards you with lush green foliage through summer and then a splash of red or purple leaves in the fall. Some even produce bright red berries that birds absolutely love. So it's not just beautiful, it's wildlife-friendly too. Because of its size and slow growth, it's incredibly low maintenance. It thrives in partial shade and works well along paths or as a centerpiece in a small garden bed. It's a tree that keeps on giving throughout the year. If you want non-stop color during the heat of summer, look no further than the Crape Myrtle. This heat-loving beauty bursts into vibrant blooms, shades of pink, red, white, or purple that last for weeks. The dwarf varieties are perfect for urban gardens or even large containers. One of the best things about crepe myrtles is their multi-season appeal. Once the flowers fade, you get striking bark and rich green leaves. In fall, the foliage turns golden or red, extending the beauty well into the cooler months. They're also tough. Crepe myrtles handle drought, heat, and humidity like a champ. Choose a compact cultivar like Tonto or Acoma if you want a tree that stays under 10 feet but packs a punch. Serviceberry is a 4-season wonder. In early spring, it bursts with clusters of white flowers. Soon after, it produces edible berries that taste like blueberries and attract all kinds of birds and pollinators. During summer, its clean green foliage provides a lovely backdrop for your garden, and by fall, it turns a blazing mix of orange and red. It's the kind of tree that quietly supports the entire ecosystem while looking fabulous all year long. Compact varieties like Autumn Brilliance are especially suited to small yards. These trees grow in a tidy, upright shape and typically max out at about 15 to 20 feet. Perfect as a specimen or tucked into a mixed border. Few trees announce spring like the eastern redbud. Covered in tiny, vivid pink flowers that cling directly to its branches, this tree lights up the landscape even before its leaves appear. It's an early bloomer that brings drama to your garden when you need it most. The heart-shaped leaves that follow are just as lovely, often with a soft green or reddish tint. Some cultivars, like Forest Pansy, offer deep purple foliage for an extra splash of color all summer long. Redbuds tend to have a graceful, spreading shape, but don't grow too tall, usually around 20 feet. Their sculptural branching and early bloom time make them a strong choice for adding seasonal interest to a compact space. Magnolias may conjure images of massive southern trees, but the dwarf varieties like Magnolia stellata are tailor-made for small gardens. These star magnolias bloom early in spring with large, fragrant white flowers that look like they came from a fairy tale. Even when not in bloom, the glossy green leaves and compact form give it a neat and refined appearance. It typically grows only 8 to 12 feet tall and can be pruned easily to fit tighter spaces or containers. Bonus: it's incredibly cold-hardy and requires little fuss once established. This tree brings elegance and a heavenly fragrance to any cozy corner of your outdoor space. Bring a touch of the Mediterranean to your backyard with the graceful olive tree. Its silvery green leaves shimmer in the sunlight, and its gnarled trunk gives instant character. While traditionally associated with large orchards, dwarf cultivars are ideal for patio pots and small gardens. Olives love full sun and dry soil, so they're perfect if you live in a warmer USDA zone, 8 to 10. They're drought-tolerant and surprisingly low maintenance once established. Even if you're not growing them for fruit, the tree's elegant shape and evergreen foliage provide year-round charm. It's a designer favorite for a reason. Last but not least, the weeping cherry tree adds instant romance. With its cascading branches and soft pink blooms in spring, it turns any small garden into a storybook setting. The flowers fall like confetti, creating a magical scene for a few precious weeks. After blooming, the glossy green leaves take over, followed by yellow-gold foliage in autumn. Even bare in winter, the arching branches add interest and structure. Dwarf cultivars like snow fountains stay under 12 feet tall, making them perfect for tight spaces. They look stunning near walkways, patios, or as a standalone statement tree. So there you have it. 8 gorgeous trees that prove small gardens can still deliver big wow moments. Whether you're drawn to fragrant blossoms, bold color, or elegant shapes, there's a perfect tree waiting to transform your space. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow garden lovers. And tell me in the comments, which tree is going into your garden this year? Thanks for watching, and happy planting!